me, the Oliver Forever, and today I have something special with me. But if I do drink Sunny D during this video, because I did have a drink almost all day. It's really good. Okay, so today, even though it's on Easter, I won't be here Saturday and Sunday. Sunday I might make a video. Tomorrow I might. But today I will see you guys Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. And Monday I'll be making a video. Happy Easter weekend. And happy Easter. Let me know in the comments what you got for Easter. Yeah, I just love what your comments do. So, my Mr. Easter Bunny came. See, I'm going to give a review. So he has this tie and his face and his nice floppy ears, and you can see his arms and legs. So my Mr. Easter Bunny, big man, girl, man, whatever, he came and left me some surprise eggs with toys in them. Right, Mr. Easter Bunny? Yes. Okay, so we're gonna go open them up. So I'm gonna pick. I have this big egg. Well, look at all these surprises. And I have some surprises. Some of them won't close because they're very big toys. So I'm just opening our surprise egg. Okay, I'm just going to put that right there. So, I'm going to open this yellow one up. Okay. Oh, I love this toy. I'm going to put so, one second, I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I'm back. Okay, so where's that yellow egg? Okay, so I'm gonna open. Wait, I didn't show you the toy. Okay, so it's like one of those Zerbles or Zoobles. And for this one, you close, so she's in the ball, you see. And then when you press her legs, see? Oh, I just had it. Oh, when you pull her, she pops up. See, she's a flying dragon. She's really beautiful, and then you pop her ears down. When her body goes down, see? Her ears don't go. You magnetically do that. So, that's really good. Okay, I'm going to go for this purple one. Oh, I got 3 things. Some of these toys are not from Easter. I just thought the Easter eggs would be enough for Easter. And one big giant surprise Easter egg. Okay, so we have these. These are so cute. And since I'm going to show you something, it's a big test tube with a lid. And that means, you know what this is. It's trash packs. Okay, so since luckily, I have my pencils over here, so I'm just gonna grab a pencil. I'm gonna grab a crayon. Okay, so because I don't have a pencil in here, so I'm gonna show you the first one. So this is this one. So it looks like it's barfing. It's yellow. And plus, we're gonna put them back in our test tube. So I put that one in. And now let's see if this one has a hole. Oh, this one's cute. Let's put that in our test tube. And then let's do this guy. He's really cute. See? You can tell that he's cute. So I hope your Easter goes well, but that's not the end. Because who would not want that to be the end? Okay, so we have another surprise egg. Okay. Oh! This one does not look like it's from Easter. Let me just put that crayon back. You can see I'm just putting the crayon back. Okay, so you see we have this dinosaur. This cute. See? The scales and a tail. Let me show its face. See? Then you have its other side. Then it's that. There you have that side. It's a really cute toy. I'm gonna go put that back. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this pink egg. I had the best egg for last. Oh! This is such my favorite. So my sister loves these. But since I can't hold on. So this is its face, you can see. This is its mane, right back there. Then this is its side. This is its tail, it's nice and curvy. And this other side. And then the hooves. You can see. It's a really cute toy. Okay, so there we go. To the next one. Okay, so I'm gonna do this blue egg. We don't have any more yellow eggs. Okay. Oh, oops. We only have one yellow egg. Okay, so these are two things. I might have showed you these in another video. Okay, so you see this part? This is a mini Lalaloopsy, so you can see her hair. It's a cheerleader. See? Then you have her face. Nice bright smile. Oh, her shoes. And her dress. So in this, you can take her head off. You can see. And plus, I thought you could take the feet off, but you can't. Okay, and then we have this Littlest Pet Shop. You can see its face. And then its body. Its cute little ears. Okay. I'm gonna go put those where they belong. Okay. Before, since this is kind of Hello Kitty, well, Hello Kitty is kind of Easter, so I have one last try. Oops, I showed you. I have another egg, but it's not in an egg. But okay, save an egg for her. Okay, so let me just, since the Easter Bunny is here, you want to help me open an egg? Because you gave these. Okay. So, Mr. Easter right here, he gave me these eggs. But he is going to help me open one, okay? So, okay, let's see what you... Oh, you got the best toy. Who? Okay. You back over there. So I showed you its body. Let me show you its back. So she's really cute. She's on the wall. Okay. So I'm gonna do a bigger egg. Because I can't see. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Blue happy egg, see? Do 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 do. Okay, so oh, this is such a cute egg. Not the egg, I mean, but the part of this one. She is this Lola's Pet Shop. Here, I can show you my leg. Oops. Maybe I can. See? Okay. Got that part. Okay. How do I really open this? So you can see it's this nice blue egg. It has some tape on it here. I don't need that tape on it. That's okay. 1 second, because I got this just now from somewhere, but I'm not telling you. Okay? And I got it with tape on it, because you don't want these things to fall out. So I'm going to open it gently, because I want to clean this up, okay? Okay, I can dump it out. Okay, I'm going to do this in another video, but I'm going to make a little one, so you can see it's some string. So then I'm going to show you the beads. So we have this nice bead. We have some more beads, okay? But I'm just going to string it. But let me just tie a knot on the end of this one, okay? And I'm going to tie that. So you can see, I just tie this very tiny knot. And we're going to just do one quick more, okay? And then we'll start making the bracelet. Okay, so you can see I'm still tying this knot. And I did say I was good at this. It's because I'm making 2 knots, because I don't know if I'm really that good at it. There's those big beads. Okay, so we don't want any beads. Okay, so we got the knot on. Now let's put, so I'm gonna put, so we only have 2 big beads. I'm gonna start with the small beads, okay? See, I'm just starting off with the small beads. See, this is gonna be like, a bracelet or a necklace. So I'm gonna start off with I'm gonna do greens, so it's color coordinated. Okay, so you're gonna start off with the greens, like this, because I really like green, but there was no blue beads, and I got a blue egg. So I'm just gonna keep working, and then keep all the big ones for the uneven. Oh, that's a yellow bead. I only have 2 green beads left, okay? And then we're gonna go on to white. But I'm gonna do green and yellow, and then the next color. So I'm almost done this part, and then I'll show you. So. Okay, so this is the first part of it. You can see. I'm just gonna see if this would fit me already. Okay, I just need a couple more beads. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the 2 big beads on now, okay? Because I really love these beads, they're pretty. And plus, they would look good. Okay? See, now look at this. You can see it's a bracelet. So then you're just gonna put it on to see if it would fit. And it would go on easy. But then you can go a little further down if it's too big. Okay? It's gonna go like that, and you're gonna make it as big as it can. Not as big, but we want it as like this. But it would still fall off. But since it's rubber, you probably want it about here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go like this. You're gonna want to tie that same knot. Like this, see? Okay, so I'm almost done my bracelet. Okay, so we can get on with this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go like this. You're gonna tie it like that, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it through that hoop, I think. Then you're gonna grab that. No, okay. So I'm gonna grab that like that. Then you're gonna just twist one around. Twice. Like that. You're gonna grab the other part of the string and you're gonna put it through that hole. Tie a knot. And don't follow these instructions because I just broke the bracelet. So I'm going to put all these beads back in this egg, okay? So this is why you do not want to get beads eraser. But I've done this video because it's way too long. So let's stop here. Bye guys, please like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoy your Easter and Easter weekend because I will. Okay guys? Please like and subscribe. Bye.